Build a list of local money lenders. If you guys have been listening to me, some of you have been listening to me for 3 years, some of you have been listening to me for 30 minutes. I'm very big on building a list of local money lenders. It's easier to do than you think. Just go to the public records. I'm not going to go through the search now. I have several videos, YouTube videos, about exactly what to look for and how it makes sense. But you want to find the local money lenders. And again, it's very, very simple. And you meet with them to talk about it and you get to know them. They get to know you. And before you know it, you're going to have a lender that will loan you money to buy property. They'll tell you what their criteria is. They'll tell you what their rate's going to be. They'll tell you what their points are. I have lots of videos on money is always looking to work. That's the basis of it. And this will teach you how to find lenders that want to work with guys like us, regular Joes that just invest in real estate. Because all they want is their money to work for them. They don't want to work anymore, so their money has to do it. And it's much easier to swing good deals with local money lenders. On top of that, number two, the more deals you do with that lender, the better your rate and term is going to get.